Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your profile picture on Binance application using your smartphone. Whether you want to personalize your account or add a professional touch, I've got you covered. First, open the Binance application on your device and log into your account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Now click on your username at the top. And then click on the pencil button right in front of your username. Now click on the camera button. Allow access for Binance to use your camera roll to take information. You can go ahead and allow limited access or full access according to your preference. Now select the picture you'd like to use as a profile picture. Edit the picture. Go ahead and resize the picture or place it within the frame and tap confirm at the top right. Wait for a few seconds and you have now uploaded the picture. Remember, avatar can only be modified one time per 7 days. So now, after uploading the picture, tap save and click continue. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.